Hi everyone, trading is closed on December 21st, 2015. My last call, so I thought we had a good chance for gapping up, followed by having a consolidation in the area of this stilt. We got the gap up and I'm still looking for these higher prices. During the day, MEJT said ultimately both lower and higher prices would print. Here's the target, color-coded for the up move. The software said it was a false move. We then dropped. Here's the target of the sell. But if you look at the status window in the software, it said the retracement to this target here was close enough to make the retracement optional, but we almost always get the real thing. And while we were dropping, eventually we had a big rally at the end and got the real thing, the retracement to this line here. And there's the dot when the target was hit. We've also gone through a MEJT resistance area from early in the day. I don't have any new MEJT targets, so let's go over what I think is happening. This is a 65-minute chart. On the 14th of the month, we had a major demarc signal to go long. Here's the buy. The retest came on Friday. 15-minute chart shows another demarc buy signal right at the low. Gaps like this aren't for keeps. They will fill at some point. So any rally we have will eventually is going to eventually retrace. This low on Friday and today came at the origin of the left stilt of your diamond on stilts pattern. Remember, half a diamond's all you need. The first test usually holds. When you have a wall into the close like this, it's usually a sign of public action. If the public is going long with a vengeance with no pullback, usually you want to take the other side of the trade, particularly when you can't go over the early high. The difference here is we had a high volume drop on Friday. We then couldn't hold on to any of the lows on the recovery, none of them. It tends, unless this is reversed immediately, this drop is probably a false move. More importantly, even though the late rally couldn't overcome these highs, a deficiency which would be taken care of were we to have a gap over them at tomorrow's open. The late rally took us past this. Here's the close. It took us past this low and even this high. That means this big volume drop we had Friday is not for keeps, unless, of course, we immediately go under today's lows, which I don't think is going to happen. I'm still looking for a rally tomorrow, and I think we're going to have a consolidation between the 2030s and I guess this is the 2050s. And that's today's call.